Hello, Rubio Concrete Construction. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in the Houston and surrounding areas. And I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people into actual paying customers. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business through the door. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We've got your website, rubioconcrete.com. Got different sections there as well. Not sure what's going on here. So we need to fix this. But it's got, the first two pages got good bones to it. It's not a bad looking website either. One thing I see is that you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you don't have enough wording that people searching for concrete work done in your area are looking for. Google loves content. And what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. We also want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have in our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. You can use a paid tool like this, but I highly recommend reaching out to me because your time and money is valuable. And remember, I'm here to help you, to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Keywords. Currently you have 0 on your website, rubioconcrete.com. When putting into this tool, you have a few competitors I have pulled up here, leveledconcrete.com and houstonconcrete.com. Leveledconcrete.com, when put into the tool, here we have the keywords. They have 1.2K in keywords, so 1,200 keywords into their site. If we go over to houstonconcrete.com, they have 285 keywords. 285 keywords versus this person's 1,200 keywords. Very different, but some are rated higher than others with the keywords. Some have more weight than others because it applies more to your industry and or it's higher to rank for those specific words on Google. Also, if you look at the keywords that Level Concrete Company or levelconcrete.com has, some of the words they have on their website are level concrete, Houston concrete leveling, level sidewalk, bulkhead concrete. Not sure if all that applies to your business or if you do those services. Some things that Houston Concrete has on theirs is concrete companies in Houston. Very big keyword. It has globally 300 visits per month. For their website is 114 visits per month, or 114 visits to their website just from people putting in the search bar Houston Concrete or concrete company in Houston. Let's go. Sorry. I like to bring everything to the home page. Good. Okay, now let's take a look at another thing that Google looks at. Is called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others directing traffic for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, or in our case, the winner has the most websites pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and to your local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have and how many your competitors have. Again, You can do this yourself if you want, but if you use me, you have an expert, who has an expertise in this area, it will save you a lot of time, money, and hassle. Backlinks for RubioConcrete.com, got no websites pointing to you right now. For Level Concrete, they have 204 backlinks, meaning that they have 204 other areas on the web that is pointing to their website. So 18 foundation repair companies, HoustonMethod.com is pointing to them. InnovativeBuildingMaterials.com is pointing to them. Homepage. If I go to HoustonConcrete.com, pretty similar, 244 backlinks. PavingMaterials.regionaldirectory.us, deals.yelp, basically, or yellowpages.com. Houston Concrete Construction, their own pages can point to them as well. And we can go over this when we talk a little more. Now we're going to cover citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for your local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So a map pack, if I go to Google, search Concrete Contractors in Houston, you see this map here. One of the first things you see, there's 3 names where I buy it because these people are optimizing their websites and their Google business profile. A Google business profile is going to be this thing right here that has their name, address, and phone number on here as well. They optimize that with different things like photos and such, which we can talk about later. After this map pack, which is the first thing that people see when they research Concrete Contractors in Houston, is HoustonConcrete.com, one of the first things in the organic search. And then you see ConcreteNetwork.com has a few contractors listed there. AB/concrete.com is another higher ranking one. And I'm sure Level Concrete is right up there as well since they have so many backlinks and so many. Once again, Level Concrete is the one that was up here that has more keywords and more backlinks pointing to them. Other places, citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others that you might have heard of. Yelp, if I go up here, Yelp.com, look up Concrete Contractor in Houston, you see a list of people with their name and phone number listed once you go into each one of those search items. Better Business Bureau, Concrete Contractors, you see name, phone number, address as well over there. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and you start to outgrow your competitors, here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. Once again, keywords 0 each month, keywords you don't have any on your website, backlinks don't have any pointing to your website, traffic, this is how many people are visiting your site every month because of organic searches through Google. Level Concrete, same business or similar business. They have 940 people visiting or 940 visits to their sites just from the organic search when they go on Google and search for words like what we saw before from their keywords and because they're pointed to their website because of other backlinks from other websites. If I go to HoustonConcrete.com, much more. 1,700 people or 1,700 visits are visiting their site every single month just from their organic search on Google. So they don't have as much backlinks as the other person, but they do have more keywords and more backlinks than Rubio Concrete does, and we need to get your business there as well. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and Google business profile, let's say their conversion rate for HoustonConcrete.com of people actually calling their business was just 10%. So the conversion rate is 10% of the people calling their business. 10% of 1,700 is 170. And if they close business deals at about 50% of those 170 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Houston Concrete Company or Houston Concrete Construction or HoustonConcrete.com is probably closing somewhere around 75 to 85 jobs per month just from their online presence alone. Not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 75 to 85 jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265 and my email is ajmsforyou@gmail.com. That's YOU. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps and have a great day.